Good evening, everyone. My name is Alana Rusnak. It's an honor to be standing before you today, sharing my beauty with a purpose. Growing up, I didn't always believe that my light mattered. I often faced moments of doubt, I was bullied, and I faced pressure to be someone I wasn't. But as the youngest of 4 siblings and the daughter of 2 amazing parents, I was surrounded by love and support. People who reminded me I matter, I'm capable, and my dreams are worth chasing. I realized that not everyone is as lucky as I was to grow up with that same foundation. And that's why I created Find Your Light. Find Your Light empowers children to be confident, authentic, and realize their purpose, that each and every single one of us have a light within that we must share with this world. By traveling into schools and camps, partnering with Tim Hortons Foundation camps and Salvation Army camps, both for underprivileged youth, I've been able to connect with our young people and tell them that we all have a purpose and a light within. This is a message that every child deserves to hear. When I travel into these youth environments, I ask the children, what is one thing you like about yourself? It could be that you're a good friend, you're creative, you're athletic. And oftentimes, the children can't answer the seemingly simple question. And it absolutely breaks my heart. This just shows the urgent need for my message today. I have also had the privilege to work with Big Brothers Big Sisters and mentor 7 incredible children and help them in personal growth and development while introducing my own back-to-school care packages with backpacks, lunch pails, school supplies, shoes, snacks, and more to help them feel uplifted and supported. I've also worked with a variety of other foundations and organizations to gain my own experience as I'm actively working to create my own workshops for safe and supportive environments for youth to thrive. Throughout the years of working on this Beauty with a Purpose, I have touched the lives of thousands of youth. And with this title, I can reach thousands more in a world where youth need my message today. Confidence guides it.